Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to add a calendar to Notion. Why do you want to know how to add a calendar to Notion? Well, maybe you don't know how to do it, right? So today I will show you how to add a calendar to Notion easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So right now you can see that I am in the Notion here, and for example here on the left side you will see a lot of options. So you have to select any of one of them. I will, for example, if I just go to the task list here, and here you will see that here you will get a lot of options. So just click on create a template, and after that here you will now find options. So here on the templates, so basically from here you can add a calendar. So let me show you. Now here if you just click on the new page, so basically here you will get this option of calendar. So click on the calendar here, and after that right now it is completely plain, but you can add it. For example, you have to select data source, so you can just write here calendar, right, and just hit the enter. Okay, and basically you have to select a data source here, and you have to just click on the plus view, and here you can add many things. So after that your calendar will be made, because you have to add the data source, and that's it. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to add a calendar to Notion, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to add a calendar to Notion, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.